In this video, we're gonna make my parrot fight this brick of soap. Alright James, cut this one out.
I smell salty.
Welcome back to the Nomadic King channel. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz. Today we're joined with Cuddles, an African gray that has specialized in pumpkin spice for many years. Today we have a Duke Cannon Company soap. This is a basic bar soap. This is a pumpkin spice latte drink, and we will be comparing the taste to the smell in this video. If you're ready, I'm ready. Grab your latte scented drinks and let's enjoy the show.
I picked this bar of soap up a little while back from Duluth Trading Company. It was the last bar on the shelf, and the box has seen some better days. But there's still some really cool quotes and tidbits on the side of this box you can read in the footage. The bar itself, I cut a little off. It normally is a little bigger.
Welcome back to that close-up of the label and product itself. They state on the website that this is not a joke, and then proceed to list a few different jokes about the soap, which I think is kind of clever, kind of cool. You can see it on the side of your screen right now. The ingredients of this soap are a lot of sodium 8s, like a tallow, a palm kernel, and a cocoa. They have some glycerin, fragrance, and they sprinkle in a little bit of love at the end. Now, what is fragrance? You see that blanket statement in many different places, but these guys are pouring in pure drops of pumpkin spice and latte to scent this soap.
In this portion of the video, we're going to be going over comments and reviews on this soap from the Duke Cannon website.
In this comment, he's stating it's excellent but mediocre. The box and the overall joke were great, but he just doesn't care for the dude, stating weak fragrance and odd suds. CB10036 is saying they are just a pumpkin spice guy, stating they bought this soap for reals, and it is not a joke. Wishing it was spicier, but still loves it. Jenna says basic and amazing. Great, clean, and bathroom smells of fall. Jason was having a laugh, then quickly became a basic beast with one use of this spiced brick. Now he sips Keurig lattes on the john. Anonymous writes, wow. And that's actually my response after reading he bought 10 bars of this stuff. Tack 187. Smells like a basic white girl. This guy's dreaming of solid cologne spice. And I'm gonna tell you what, I think I've read enough. Welcome back. We're joined with our pumpkin spice latte expert, Miss Yoching. I'm wearing my Eddie Bauer seasonal fall attire just to get into the mood. We've got a few items here that are pumpkin spice flavored. We're gonna taste this and we're gonna sample it against our scents. Are you ready?
Yeah. I'm going to take a couple of sips. You sneeze the soap?
Sure, I'll sniff the soap. Alright, so when I smell this, to be honest, to me, it kind of has a buttered popcorn scent. I'm not getting spiced latte. I maybe like a hint of it. I'm not really a pumpkin spice latte fan. This right here is a fresh ordered pumpkin spice latte with whipping cream.
So this one have more like butter flavor.
It's pretty bitter, to be honest.
This is sweeter with heavier butter scent. A heavier butter scent and sweeter than the drink.
Yeah, I'm saying it has this butter scent, like a buttered popcorn. That's what it smells like to me. What do you think about the label and everything? How's that looking to you?
I like the labels. The color is pretty cool, and I like the homey scent. It's like a homey pumpkin scent.
Yeah, I guess it is. You know, it's not really bad. It's growing on me.
It just feel like I'm in like a countryside home with like tons of pumpkins outside. It's like a homey smell.
We did have a pumpkin cream cold brew, and I'm gonna tell you what, best coffee I think I've ever had from that certain coffee vendor. We've tried a lot of Duke Cannon soaps, and we actually really like them. I'm going to assume that this lathers and washes the same. This is a pumpkin spice Werther's Original. With the taste of that pumpkin spice caramel on my tongue, this smells a little bit more like that candy. When I'm smelling this, I'm just trying to attach it to a scent in my brain, but it smells a lot nicer. It actually smells like a pumpkin spice candle.
Okay.
Packed with rich fall harvest lather, pick yourself up a bar of pumpkin spice latte Duke Cannon.
It doesn't smell so artificial. Some with chip pumpkin spice just smell sweet and fake. But this is more decent.
You like that or you don't like that? I don't understand what you're doing here. Alright guys, we're gonna go hit the lather station real quick. We're gonna see how this thing lathers and we'll be back to tell you how it smells in the shower.
I like to use that for
It's gonna go in our shower right now.
Yeah.
She's excited.
Come one, come all, and step right up to the lather station. First off, wet the bar of soap and rub it into the palm of hand, creating a nice lather. I wanted an even more extreme lather, so I tried again and got a thicker, creamier, sudsier bubble. The wife said if I used a loofah, we could do an even better job. Let me know what you guys think about using a loofah in upcoming soap tests. Now this bar of soap left my hands feeling soft, smooth, and clean. Thanks, Duke Cannon.
And we're back from the lather station.
Back from the lather station, fresh out of the shower ourselves. We're gonna tell you our final thoughts on this soap.
I don't want to be so smell salty. The shower, you can smell it's different after it's wet and it's just salty smelling.
Now this lathered nice and it also washes really great.
Yeah.
The scent was weak. It was super weak. I barely even smell like it. Basic bar soap.
It smells salty after shower. That's an interesting experience.
This is a very mild fall season scent.
I don't know.
If you're looking for a basic bar of soap for the basic person, pick yourself up some Duke Cannon pumpkin spice latte soap. Take a look at some of the other soaps that they have. They have some really great scents. This one, I'd probably pass on myself. Yuk Ching, 1 to 10.
5.
That's gonna wrap this soap video up. Want to like, share, subscribe. You already know how YouTube works. I'll see you on the next video, and peace. My bird's doing a little dance. Okay, that's it.